Welcome to this overview of life-based contracts. In these contracts, a fixed meter charge is paid in advance, and meters are not billed again until either a usage limit or a specified duration is reached. Only meters are considered prepaid. Contract fees follow the normal billing cycle. Accurate meter readings are essential because they determine how much prepaid usage has been consumed, even if the meters are reset. When the prepaid usage limit or duration is approaching or has been reached, the system sends a notification email to the designated contacts. In Nucleus Configurator, the Enforce Authorization flag must be enabled. From the Contract Maintenance tab, click Contracts to open the Contract Listing screen. This screen opens in active status. You can change the site or status using the drop-down menus to filter the contracts you see. The available processing actions depend on the site, status, and your user permissions. To add a new contract, select the site, then click the Add button in the ribbon toolbar. Or, right-click on any row in the data grid to open the All Groups menu and select Add New Contract. The Add a New Contract screen opens. When creating a contract from scratch, enter details such as customer information, location, and machine specifics directly, as these fields are not auto-populated. This method is useful for contracts that are not associated with a new deal sale or rental. On the Add a New Contract screen, select Prepaid as the contract type. The Life-Based Billing tab moves from its docked position on the left to the bottom of the screen. Life-based and aggregate billing must be set up on the same contract, but only one is active at a time. Ensure meter types are configured for both prepaid and aggregate billing to allow seamless tracking when switching to aggregate billing. On the Life-Based Billing tab, select the meter types to include in prepaid billing, such as monometers. Make sure they match those set up for aggregate billing. Then, tick the marked checkbox for each meter type. Enter the start date and end date for the prepaid period. These dates can differ between meter types and do not need to align with the reading date. For each selected meter type, enter the included usage amount, which may vary between meter types. This defines the total prepaid usage allowed. The prepaid portion expires when either the duration or included usage is reached, whichever comes first. If applicable, enter a commission figure in the rebate field. This does not affect billing. The free of charge flag is selected by default and should remain selected for meters in prepaid billing. If a contract item has multiple meter types, you may include only one in prepaid billing, for example mono, while other meter types such as scan or color remain on standard meter billing. Once the contract is saved and marked as active, life-based billing is applied to the selected meters. The system sends early warning notifications to designated contacts as prepaid usage or duration nears its limit. This allows the contract manager to plan updates in advance, such as switching from prepaid to an ongoing type like cost per copy. After the contract is updated and reapproved, aggregate billing begins, using the aggregate settings already configured on the contract. Businesses make better decisions with CO3 Nucleus.